Hi guys, today we review the foam cutter machine from the brand Gearhook. Right out of the box, we got all the necessary attachment and tools, so no need to buy anything extra. The setup was super easy and within a minute it was ready to use. It also comes with adjustable speed control, which means you can increase or decrease the cutting speed according to the thickness of your foam. What I really like is that it's fully adjustable, so you can easily cut different shapes like circular, cylinder, and even cone shape with a smooth surface finish. Overall, it's a very handy tool for the craft project, DIY models, or any kind of detailed foam cutting works. So if you want the machine which can cut foam sheet like EPS, PE, PU, EPP super easily with a smooth finish, check out the buy link in description.